Right on the job site here, installing another Mitsubishi ductless split, pulling down in the vacuum right now. We've got power coming around. Here's one of the line sets that comes down, drain. It's piped into the house. We've got the line set cover here. I'm gonna step inside here, show you the indoor wall mount unit. We've got a wall mounted GL in this bedroom. And then if you step over into this other room, we've got another wall mounted GL here on the wall for this bedroom. Doing some construction work out here in this house in San Diego. And I want to do the upgrade with the ductless splits. So, another quality project by ACS.